Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and today we're going to review the new look on Facebook when you create a business page for the first time. So I'm going to point out a couple of items that are of importance to make sure that you're optimizing your page to be found. The first is you're going to upload a photo image, and now if I click on edit here, you'll see that the type of image you can upload is a photo, a video that's 20 to 90 seconds long only, or you can create a slideshow, which is up to 3 different photos that would run across on this cover image here, as well as you can choose photos that you might have in your library. But if you're creating your business page for the first time, you will not have any photos in the library. I want to point out when you upload your photo, I want you to click on it, because there's an area over here where it says edit. You need to add the text for this photo, because consider all photos to be like little websites, and if there's no information attached to it, then the consumer you've lost the opportunity to do a little bit of marketing to the consumer. The next item is down here where it says E, which comes off of the name of this business page, is where you're going to upload your profile photo or your logo. Try to remember that this is more of a portrait size, whereas this big cover image is a horizontal landscape photo. Then you can add your call to action button. One of the things that I really like with the new business page is, if you notice over here in the center of the page, it is giving you step-by-step instructions on how you can set up your business page, and 9 out of the 13 steps so far we have completed. And you can even scroll through these all to see what you've done and what you haven't done. So it says 2 steps left to complete. If I click the little arrow, you will see that the messaging preference needs to be set up. The call to action button needs to be set up. If you go over on the left-hand side and we go down to our settings tab, this is another way where you can complete specific items on your business page, or you can click on Edit Page Info, and this is where you can add the general information on your business page, your categories. You can have up to 3 different categories, and you should put in a phone number as well as your location, and go all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is a brand new item where you can link other accounts to your Facebook business page, and you'll notice in the drop down arrow, this is where it gives you an example of all the different links that you can have, and you just simply add the plus sign to add your next social network that you want to link. Back up at the top here, if you clicked on home, this takes you actually back to your newsfeed on your personal profile. And so we have our home tab, we have our newsfeed. Now this is brand new on, and I love it because we always had an option to go to the newsfeed from your old business page, but it was never as predominant as it is today on the new business pages. And I'm going to do a complete new video strictly explaining to you what the news feed is all about. And then we go into your ad center, of course, but we don't have any ads on this page yet because it's still brand new. Your inbox is where your private messages are all going to be sent, and I'm just going to click back out of there. And your resources and tools, your notifications are people that are liking your content, your insights tab. Once your page has been running, and I would say at least for 30 days, you're going to start having some fantastic page insights, and you can see all of the different metrics that Facebook is going to be able to tell you all about. And then I click up here to go back to the page where I was. And then we have our publishing tools. Now on some of the new business pages, you are given a box right now where you can go to the new business suite on Facebook to create content. Now it is available on mobile phones, and very few accounts have it on the desktop, but I have seen it on desktop computer. I am recommending for most of you to go to your publishing tools. And it is within your publishing tools that I think you should be creating your content on your Facebook business page, at least until the business suite is attached. And over here on the left hand side, you'll see where it says Creator Studio, and it is in the Creator Studio that you can create your content on your Facebook business page. Or if you click on the Instagram logo, you'll notice the bar turns purple. You can create your content here. This video is not about creating content. This video today is me just strictly showing you how to set up your new Facebook business page. Now, for those of you that haven't quite set up your page yet, I will just show you if I go over to my personal profile on Facebook and I wanted to create a business page. Today you're going to click on the plus sign and then you're going to click on page. And right here is how you start creating your Facebook business page. You give your page name over here on the left hand side, your category, and then your description, and then all of a sudden you will be here and you'll be able to add your cover image and so on and so forth. So let's just go back into the search bar. We're going to go back here and we're going to create EXP Montana Brian Solder. There we go. And I'm just going back to the business page here. And now we have our tabs that used to be down here on the left-hand side are underneath our cover image. Go ahead and click on the More button so you can see all the different tabs that you have. If you set up a Services tab, you will notice that the box is empty, and you just go ahead and click Add Service, and then you can start filling in the box. If you're a real estate agent, you have a market evaluation service, you have a buyer's package service, and maybe you have a service where you recommend a number of different professionals within your industry. You can look at your page as a viewer would see your page by clicking over here. And you can click on Home to take you back to your main page where you can just keep going through the Set Up Your Page for Success tab. And that is just a basic look at your new Facebook business page here on Facebook. Remember, everyone, let's keep it simple.